Oh yeah, this is not as girl crush.
This is not girl crush. Definitely girl pop.
Too cute to bounce, but the song fits it, so that's all that matters. Wow! Really pentatonic. It almost sounds like the punk belt chord progression. 7. What the? I knew that bass line was up to something.
Too cute to bounce.
But I didn't expect it to be like this. Whoa. Okay. Was not expecting that.
Oh. I really love this. It sounds a bit like clocks, you know? Oh. Oh. Okay, I was not expecting that.
Wow, that changed real quick. I thought it was gonna be more popish.
Definitely girl pop.
Yeah, I like this group, but I just want more. I want to see more before I decide if I want to stand. You know, my list is very big of groups I stand and don't honestly need to be adding more to it. And also, this change up here is insane, and did not expect that.
Ooh.
Oh, that's hype as hell, dude.
Definitely girl pop. Definitely girl pop. Definitely girl pop. Definitely girl pop. Definitely girl pop.
She's really big
Definitely
eyes.
girl pop. Definitely girl. Definitely girl pop.
I feel in the build up. Song goes in on the chorus. What the heck is this? And they're popping off. Damn. Wow, that came out of nowhere.
Did not expect that.
Oh, that changed real quick.
Okay, I was not expecting that.
But I didn't expect it to be like this. Was not expecting that.